Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane, Polestar and Guzgukanayim. They've announced the closing of the business combination, but that's not just it. We now know officially that Polestar will begin trading on June the 24th on Nasdaq under the ticker symbol PSNY. And ladies and gents, today is June the 24th. I'm making this video on the day of the news announcing, and I'm also going to be editing this video and uploading it as soon as possible to get the news out. But this is absolutely brilliant. This is exactly what we needed. It's exactly what we've been waiting for a long time. It's certainly long overdue. It's certainly long overdue, and it's certainly long awaited. Now it is official. Polestar will begin trading on Nasdaq today. Now, Polestar raised approximately $890 million gross proceeds, and this was all part of the SPAC merger between Guzgukanayim and Polestar Performance AB. Polestar being a premium electric performance car company and Guzgukanayim Inc. being a SPAC merger, they were perfect for each other. And despite the fact that there were plenty of concerns over the past few months, whether or not the SPAC merger will be continued, will be completed on time, will be completed as promised, but nevertheless, the big news has arrived that Polestar will begin trading today. Naturally, with this being said, I'd like to have a look at the Guzgukanayim shares at the moment. Now, let me just declare that this video is not financial advice. Of course it isn't. It's strictly for educational purposes. But what we must understand is that this stock right here, the Guzgukanayim GGPI stock, will change completely today. It will change to PSNY, Polestar. Polestar, New York. The value will change from 1.1 billion to a whopping 20 billion today. Now, the interesting thing is that today happens to be Friday. Polestar is not merging at the start of the week, they're merging at the end of the week, which means that this is strategic. Throughout the weekend, there's going to be plenty more news for Polestar to have a strong beginning to trading next Monday. So naturally, this was a smart thing to do. 2 days break from trading is going to give us plenty of time to consider Polestar in many ways. For other people to consider Polestar, because I don't need to. I'm already confident in Polestar in so much ways. Now, Thomas Ingeluth, Chief Executive Officer of Polestar, he had this to say: listing on Nasdaq is an incredible proud moment for Polestar. We set out to create an understanding of new EV brand with the mission to accelerate the shift towards sustainable mobility. With 55,000 cars on the road today and a global recognition as made equivalent by over 100 awards. We have built a strong foundation for our future growth, and we are now expanding our product range with 3 new premium electric models, including 2 SUVs by 2024. The first Polestar 3, a full-size electric SUV, will launch in October 2022 and sets a new standard in this high-margin premium segment. But this is truly incredible, and Polestar plans to increase its sale tenfold from approximately 29,000 vehicles in 2021 to 290,000 vehicles in 2025. We're less than 3 years away from that. But most of this information we were already made aware. I've already made countless videos on this topic talking about this, so it should come as no surprise to most of you who continuously watch my video and support me. Thank you for supporting Monument. Now, this combination will retain the Polestar name, and it will commence trending on Nasdaq under the new ticker symbol PSNY on June 24th. The business combination itself, at the special meeting at Guzgukanayim, stockholders voted on this specifically on the 22nd of June. Now, some of this information, like the SPAC merger, the official trading on Nasdaq that I keep on continuously repeating, is simply because I'm super excited, and it's kind of hard to believe that Polestar is officially going to be merging today. That the GGPI share will turn into the PSNY share, officially Polestar share. It's just incredible hard to believe. But nevertheless, I am super excited, to say the least. Now, just to remind everyone on the lineup of the Polestar expected vehicles in the future, Polestar will be unveiling the Polestar 3 luxurious area SUV, and that will be in October this year. The price range is targeting the Porsche Cayenne. Next year, Polestar will release the Polestar 4, and that price range is targeting the Porsche Macan. And the year after that, 2025, Polestar will release the Polestar 5, a luxurious sport GT 4-door. And that's targeting the Porsche Panamera, or rather the Porsche Taycan, or the Tesla Model S. Each year for the next 3 years, they are releasing a new vehicle, and that's exciting for me. And after that, I hope they can work on even more SUVs, more sedans, but most importantly, I want them to work on a pickup truck or a supercar. That would be the Polestar 02 being the supercar, or a pickup truck to target the American audience. They're already targeting the American audience with the Polestar 3, that's exciting, but I believe they can do a better job of this if they created pickup trucks. Specifically aim at targeting Rivian, because it seems like Polestar is able to build better vehicles in America, doing this better than Rivian in their own country. So if you can do that, beat the competition, beat them to the punch. The Polestar Cybertruck is still a couple of years out, and the Rivian pickup truck and SUV is already on the road. So if Polestar begins on development, designing, we could be seeing a Polestar pickup truck within the next 4 to 5 years, which will be good. It will be a little bit late, but it's better to be late than sorry, in my opinion. It's better to create something than not to create it at all, especially if there's a market for it. And I believe Polestar does know this. They're well aware of this. Now, ladies and gents, we also know that Polestar hopes to build and sell 50,000 vehicles this year. Originally, they had planned 69,000 vehicles. That's 18,000 vehicles more. But because of delivery constraints, shortages, difficulties in manufacturing, they do a lot of their manufacturing in China, and that can be difficult in times like this. It's completely understandable that they've had some difficulty. So as many other companies, companies like Rivian are only projected to build and deliver 20,000 this year. And I think Rivian will be lucky if they build and sell 10,000 this year, considering that we're already in June and we have 6 months until the end of the year. It's going to be interesting to see, but I think Polestar stands a great chance at creating 50,000 vehicles this year. Quite importantly, they released this news quite a while before the SPAC merger started. They wanted to release this news and get it out in the public before the SPAC merger was officially on the way. Now we have a SPAC merger on our hands. And ladies and gents, today is going to be incredible. If I can do a live stream, I will do a live stream when Polestar officially goes public. It will be incredible to watch. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to see more. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I will see you in my next video.